How to connect Athene network to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, open your Phantom Wallet, and after that, tap on Discover from the bottom bar. Now, after that, tap on the search bar, and now type this URL called parthenon.athenescan.io, like this, and now hit search. Oh, it's not correct. So as you can see, this is the right one. Now, for a few seconds, as you can see, this page will open. Now, after you see this page, now you will be able to connect the Athene network. Just tap on connect button, like that. Tap on it. Now after that, tap on Phantom. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, tap on connect. And as you can see, your Athene network is connected to your Phantom wallet. So as you can see, this is your Phantom wallet. So this is how to connect your Phantom, your Athene, or how to connect Athene network to Phantom wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.